This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey, what's up, fam bam? Buckle up, because today we're taking a wild ride down memory lane with the Pontiac G8. I've had her for 5 years, and trust me, she's had a journey. Stick with me, because we're going from zero power chaos to controlled rocking. Every upgrade, every lesson. Let's dive in. That's what I was trying to buy next. That's that Trailblazer SS. But yeah, since I got it, we put the long tube headers in there. So it's a 6.0. Eventually I'm gonna try to board it out to get to the 6.2 LS3. Got the K in there, air intake. And that's a regular LS6 throttle body, I believe. And then we did the Cook's long tube custom headers. And then since I got it, I had to do a thermostat, new radiator, new all radiator hoses. I did a tune-up on it. I put the OEM spark plugs in there. I'm about to change that up next to put some better spark plugs in there to give me a better reading. When I say reading, I got a tune on it maybe a month ago. I've had it for 3 months, so we got right into it. I got it tuned. Show you the tune paperwork. Out of Hayward, California. Get up on those numbers. It's 12 max power. This was the first initial one, and then when he tuned it. So he said my squiggly line, my line is hella squiggly because of the gap on the spark plug. So he, my guy recommended some certain type of GTK RSs, some type of shit, some high performance shit. He said that would be the best for this year, make and model of the G8. So I plan on doing that later on. That's a muscle. But yeah, so we part of the Renegade Muscle Club. You feel me? Once again, it's the 2009 G8 GT. When I get done with it, we're gonna be on that GX. So right when I got the car, I got new headliner. I got the interior done, because you know interior always be messed up. Another common problem, these are always hanging off on the seats. I fixed this one. I think the other one broke over there. I ended up fixing this little middle piece. These little pieces always be breaking. So I ended up fixing that. I put a rear view camera in there as well. I'm gonna do some other little modifications. So I did the backs as well. I gotta customize the backs on the seat. So instead of just doing custom, I just got seat coverage. You feel me? So any of y'all wanna up your game, something nice and classy and affordable, do the seat coverage. There's cheaper ones than this, but you know, I had to go to the top of the line. Stock tires come with like 19s, but I wanted to offset, so I went lighter with the the F1 sport tires. The wheels and tires with the Goodyear Sport Eagle tires. I think I ended up going 285, 40, 18 in the rear. Yeah, I wanted that wide body, you feel me? Just enough room so I can put them Brembos on there. I got the Brembos, but there's a type of kit you gotta do. You gotta cut the back shit off. It's hella shit. You gotta add extra studs. Brembos either off a Mero or a CTSV. Same type of shit you go get on there. Take some custom work though. The front tires, I got a little offset. I didn't give it a wash yet, but I was trying to get it before the sun got out, you feel me? So the front tires, I believe, are 255, 40, 18. So you feel me? Still wide body enough to grip the road. These bitches still can't turn that well, but you know, just a little bit. Since I've got it, I did the LED lights, upgraded the headlights and the fog lights. Oh yeah, I put some shit in the trunk as well. So to recompensate for the weight, I went 212s, kickers, L7s, you feel me, real slap. motherfucker loud, so you gotta have some type of shit on there. So the recompensate is why I put the 18s on there. One's smaller, one's the A1 stance. I had the coilovers on here, so you know that makes it easier. This is fitting, so I can raise it and lower it as I please. I know you feeling it.
I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I did.
Alright, fam bam. We're not just talking. Let's hit the road. Cruise with me through the Bay Area. Catch these skyline views. And then we're gonna pull up to the pit, our ultimate proving ground for drifting and slide showing and doing what it do, you feel me? Let's see if these upgrades really make king of the corners.
Upgrade designer, I'm big timer, I'm a shiner. I make this shit look easy, lazy boy, I'm in recliner. A hint for when you make it, most your haters be reminders. I quit lending out favors, save my guap and bought some diamonds. Bought some diamonds, yeah, I'm shining like the sun. Could not help a baby when adopted me a son. Feeling like Curry, hit my shot, bitch, and I won. Got so much charisma, I got game to fuck a none, yeah. You heard right, I got game to fuck a none. Got so much bread, sometimes I give my bitches crumbs. Got so much bread, a hater bet not have for none. I done had my heart broke, now I'm feeling numb. I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I did on the dope.
Hey man, say man, we back in here, California living. So I was getting rushed today, man, to go see this whack ass car meet. We went to Pleasanton, California. So yeah, we pull up over there late notice as always. You know I'm late with the shit. And rice rockets, retarded badged up RTs. You know, just maybe I'm too old for this shit, but it wasn't my crowd. So we left early, and we came to Mexicana to go get some pit action. You see how I slid in here, but boys came already. I had about 3-4 more rounds in me. You feel me? But once again, just another day in California. You feel me? Hunting for the meats. So I think since it's bougie right now, we're gonna try to find another spot, or we're gonna go get some tacos. Tap in.
Hey, what you on? Cause I can change in a little bit. Been in the zone, I'm eating more than the pit, I would have never even told you to come.
What?
They all going back to the pit right now.
Are you joking?
Huh?
Coming from the heart, they be feeling it. See if it's worth for your integrity, I get it quick. See, that's on God, I stay focused, I depend on Him. And that's all day, I walk it out like it's my motto. It's never a decision, my God over the apple on God. So it's on God, even though they try to play with my faith. It's on God, get it on God, I focus on God, I'll wait. It's on God, no matter what they say, I ain't never trying to switch up my play. It's on God, no matter what it is, I'ma always be a man of my faith. It's on God, so it's on God, even though they try to play with my
Now, before these upgrades, heading to the pit was a battle. No power steering, just me, sheer guts, and a whole lot of chaos. But now, after every drift, after every tweak, I've sharpened my skills. What once felt out of control, now it's just me and the machine, you feel me? It's perfect sync. Let's see what happens. Welcome. My 2009 Supercharged LSA kit, forged internals. We did it on the stock block, the L76 6.0 block. Forged it out, bored it out, powered to a 6.1, did some forged internals. After we did the internals, I also did a smaller pulley, and also I did a bigger pulley, smaller pulley. What else did I do? Got another balancer. I upgraded to 1000cc injectors. I'm still on pump gas, long tube headers, you know, all the goods. What else did I do to this? Since last time you've seen it, I upgraded the suspension a little bit. I'm still on 18s. I'm doing the brake upgrade. Haven't got to that yet. But that was then, and this is now. And now, with every upgrade, I rewrite the rules. You feel me? Every mile taught me something. From dreamer to driver, this journey is mine to own. I appreciate you for riding with me on this journey. This is just one chapter. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell, you feel me? Because you won't want to miss out on what's next. Bigger moves, bigger thrills. Until next time, stay driven, fam. Yada.